Tesla is the electric car that everyone is talking about. Whether you've got a Tesla, you want a Tesla, or you love Elon Musk, and who doesn't? There are probably a few facts that will surprise you about the company. The automotive giant dominates the electric car space, and with good reason. But why is Tesla hailed for being innovative and unique? And what are some of their secrets? Let's find out. 1. Elon Musk is the face, but he didn't create Tesla Motors. Shocking, but very true. Tesla was founded by engineers and investors Martin Eberhard and Marc Tarpenning. Elon Musk did join soon after, though, and has been through most of the company's evolution. 2. The name has meaning. The name is in homage to another designer and engineer who created the induction motor and AC, Nikola Tesla. Rumor has it that Eberhard came up with it while on a date with his wife at Disneyland. 3. Elon Musk took Tesla to over $1 billion. Elon Musk may not have founded Tesla, but he's renowned for being the second man in Silicon Valley to take 3 companies to over $1 billion. Tesla is, of course, one of them. 4. It's changing sports cars. Sports cars have been dominated by high-power engines and copious amounts of fuel in the past, but Tesla could change that. Their Model S can go from 0 to 60 miles in less than 2 seconds. Crazy. 5. The biggest infotainment system on board a car. The biggest infotainment system on board a car. Modern-day cars pack a bunch of connectivity features, including support for smartphone integration, dedicated SIM card, wireless charging, and more. But which car do you think has the biggest infotainment system? Well, it's the Tesla Model S. The popular 4-seater sedan sports a massive 17-inch touchscreen panel which acts as your single control panel for driving, navigation, music, and everything else you need. 6. Tesla cars also come with a dedicated dog mode. Tesla cars also come with a dedicated dog mode. Earlier this year, Tesla introduced a new dog mode on its cars that allows you to set a cabin temperature to keep your dog comfortable while you are away. In this mode, the infotainment screen also broadcasts a message for passersby, letting them know of the pet's safety. Notably, the feature includes both cooling and heating modes. 7. This is an affordable luxury electric car. The 2019 Tesla Model 3 is starting at $32,815. This may not be affordable for some, but as luxury cars go, it's pretty affordable. And when compared to other luxury electric cars, it carries the lowest price. And while the starting price is not too steep, customers can add options that increase the value of the car, including the company's semi-autonomous autopilot equipment. The available driving range starts at 240 miles for the standard range battery and goes up to 310 miles for the long-range battery. 8. You don't just buy a Tesla, you custom order it. You can't just walk into a dealership and buy a Tesla. This is a common Tesla fact, however. If you didn't know, you're welcome. For one to purchase a Tesla, you have to pre-order one. You start with the design studio and create a Tesla that fits your wants/needs, and they custom build each one at their factory in California. Once your Tesla is built, it is shipped to the nearest service center for pickup. The great part is if the nearest service center is 160+ miles away, your vehicle can be shipped directly to your home or business. In order to complete the process, you'll have to complete a contract and make a $2,500 order payment. 9. Innovation extends into space with SpaceX. Elon Musk sent a Tesla into space. In February of 2018, Elon Musk launched a cherry red Tesla Roadster into orbit, with a dummy Aka Starman in the driver's seat. What some people may not know is that SpaceX was founded way back in 2002. It accomplished a major feat in 2010 when they were the only private company capable of returning a spacecraft from low Earth orbit. When Elon Musk was asked about launching a Tesla into space, he said, "Well, I think it looks so ridiculous and impossible, and you can tell it's real because it looks so fake." 10. Only 6 parts on a Tesla Model S need regular replacement. They're the 4 tires and the 2 wiper blades. Oh, and service technicians do check the level of the battery and motor coolant occasionally. Brake pads. Not so much. With the bulk of its stopping done via regenerative braking, turning the electric motor into a generator to recharge the battery pack, the brakes pads on a Tesla last a ridiculously long time. Without valves, camshafts, connecting rods, a crankshaft, gears, clutches, or any of the other complexities of a car with an engine and a transmission, a battery electric car needs almost no service. That worries car mechanics a lot. 11. To make automotive history, Tesla must build 800,000 cars. The company has already beaten DeLorean, which built 9,000 cars, Bricklin, 2,850, and Tucker, a mere 51, among notable automotive startups of the past half-century. At its current rate, it will have more than 26,000 cars on the world's roads by December 31. But there's one other startup carmaker it still has to conquer. Kaiser Frazer, founded just after World War II by famed industrialist Henry J. Kaiser. In its decade of existence, Kaiser built roughly 770,000 cars. It was December 1924 when Walter P. Chrysler founded the company that carried his name. It was the last auto brand founded from scratch in the U.S. by an entrepreneur that's still with us. If Tesla can exceed Kaiser's total, perhaps by 2020 or so, it will become the highest production automotive startup in 90 years. 12. The Model S is Tesla's highest-rated car ever. The Tesla Model S is often considered one of the best cars ever made. It won a slew of awards, including Car of the Year from Motor Trend magazine. The original model was introduced in 2012 and received over 16,000 reservations for vehicles before they even debuted on the market. A new Model S has been released since then, with several technological advances that make it even better. The Model S should be relatively cheap and easy to service also. Only 6 parts in the Tesla Model S can be replaced regularly. Only 4 wheels and 1 blade can be regularly maintained, and the brake pads last a surprisingly long time. The Tesla Model S's massive 17-touch screen displays functions as your single power button controlling all aspects of driving, navigation, musical devices, and anything else in between. In addition, the popular 4-door sedans have a large touchscreen that displays up to 320 colors of color. The Model S comes with its own SIM card, wireless charging, and more features of connectivity.